In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up monday.com so your team actually uses it. We'll start at the monday.com website, click Get Started to begin. You'll be prompted to enter your work email, and you can try the Pro plan free for 14 days with no credit card. That's perfect for testing with your team before committing. Once you're in, the goal is to build a simple, clear structure your team will actually follow. First, create your workspaces and boards. Think of a workspace as the home for a department or a major initiative, and boards as the day-to-day tables where work lives. Keep workspaces broad and board specific, like marketing projects or customer onboarding. If you're unsure, start small. You can always reorganize later. When you create a new board, you can begin with a blank canvas or use a pre-designed template. Templates are great to jumpstart your setup, especially for common workflows like project tracking or sales pipelines. If you use a template, don't accept it blindly. Remove anything you won't use so the board stays clean and approachable. Next, structure your data. Use groups to cluster items by phase, priority, or time period, such as planning, in progress, and done, or by quarters or sprints. Then add columns for the key data you need: status for stage tracking, date for deadlines, and people for ownership. Resist the urge to add too many columns on day one. Only capture information you'll genuinely use in meetings or reports. The status column is your team's heartbeat. You can customize it with up to 40 labels, but simpler is better. Choose clear color-coded labels like not started, working on it, stuck, and done. Agree on what each status means and make that your team's standard language. Now, add simple automations to reduce manual work. For example, when a due date arrives, set the status to due today. When the status changes to done, notify the owner or move the item to a done group. Keep automations minimal to start. Aim for the few that save the most clicks. Finally, invite your team and set permissions. Add members to the workspace or directly to boards, and choose who can edit versus who can view. For sensitive projects, restrict access to specific people. Show your team how to update statuses, assign owners, and leave comments in item updates so conversations stay linked to the work. With this setup, clean structure, clear statuses, light automations, and the right access, your team will find monday.com intuitive and actually use it every day.